this year's National Cybersecurity Awareness Month campaign for us at Cybersecurity Education Initiative was a blockbuster. We embarked on an adventure that spanned across Nigeria and beyond.
Cybersecurity Education Initiative mission for the month of October was crystal clear. It was to make sure that everyone knew about cybersecurity and aware of the dangers online. That is why we often refer to it as everybody must study cyber. Because we know how important security is to our nation's critical infrastructure, we held workshops for state ministries, departments, agencies in larger state and federal government MDAs in Abuja. Different speakers spoke at length at events and exercises were given out to improve their knowledge of security.
Businesses are not left out as we organize the virtual workshop for business owners, teaching them the step-by-step approach they need to secure their business and protect their finances against cyber threats.
We had 200 plus volunteers in 13 states who took the cyber movement with us. We transcended the borders of Nigeria and went all the way to Kenya and Ghana.
We visited 21 schools, 5 organizations and local businesses, 4 radio stations, 4 religious centers, held 2 rallies and 1 NYSC development program.
It wasn't just about teaching, it was about making positive impact in the lives of people that navigate the digital world. It's about making them aware of the challenges that exist in the digital world and how they can navigate the virtual world safely and securely.
We also held the first ever National Cybersecurity Essay Competition. This competition was open to secondary and tertiary school students across Nigeria with the primary objective of engaging them in critical thinking and reflection on cybersecurity and digital safety. These winners went home with cash prizes.
These moments were priceless for us, as I said.
And in the end, it is all about coming together for a safe and secure world. It is not just an adventure, it is our mission. It is what Cyber lives for.
To our amazing sponsor Trend Micro, our partners, our resource persons, and the incredible team of volunteers, we say huge thank you for making this cyber movement a success. Together, we shall continue to make the digital world secure.
To learn more about our impact, visit us at www.cycer.org and follow us on all social media platforms.